Thank you for taking time out of your day to allow me the opportunity to present the products of Pieresearch to you. We make products to keep a reinforcing steel cage centered and off the floor of a drill shaft to ensure proper alignment and concrete cover of the cage in accordance with the engineer's specifications. If you'll think for just a moment, the engineer has spent considerable amount of time designing the drill shaft deep foundation and the components thereof. He's first relied upon the geotechnical report so that he can assess the soil conditions underneath the structure he's going to build. Secondly, taking that into account, he determines the diameter of the shaft, the depth of the shaft. He determines the grade and size of the vertical bars, the number of the vertical bars, the grade and size of the stirrup or circle tie around those vertical bars, and how many of those stirrups he's going to have up and down the cage. Keeping in mind the importance of having the cage centered and off the floor of the drill shaft deep foundation, because without proper alignment and concrete cover, the cage cannot perform as the structural engineer intended. It goes without saying that without products such that we make, the cage is not properly centered and is not properly positioned on the floor of the drill shaft. Thus, the cage and the foundation cannot do the job that it was designed to produce. As one structural engineer told me, Stan, you got an access problem. You cannot go back and test or inspect to see if the cage is in the right place. You either do it right the first time or it is simply not done correctly. To achieve those goals, we make 2 products for side alignment and 1 series of products for the bottom. We make 2 versions of our quick lock Pier Wheel. We make the standard version and also the heavy duty version. The standard version we make in 3 different sizes for varying dimensions of concrete cover. We make an 8-inch wheel for 4 inches of cover. We make a 6-inch wheel for 3 inches of cover, and we make a 4-inch wheel for 2 inches of cover. Our heavy-duty wheel we make in dimensions 6 inches of cover all the way down to 2 inches of cover. We make 2 different sizes for 3-inch cover. We make this one, which is a pure 3-inch cover, from the inside of the hub to the outside of the tread. We're the only people that make this. And we make the nominal version, nominal 3-inch cover, measuring 2.5 inches from the inside of the hub to the outside of the tread. Our products have a unique one-piece design, so when they are easy to install and when they snap in place, they are positively attached and will not come loose, even in the most rigorous construction applications. We make Pier Boots in both 3 inches of cover and 6 inches of cover. In marine environments, a lot of times the engineer wants 6 inches of cover for obvious reasons. Ours will fit a number 5 bar all the way up to a number 14 bar. Our products are proudly made in the United States and are shipped from Arlington, Texas. If we receive your order by 1:30 in the afternoon, in most instances, we will ship the same day your order is placed. Our newest product that we are absolutely excited about is our Unibar centralizer for threaded rebar tendons in soil nailing and erosion control applications. We make them in sizes for a 4-inch borehole and a 6-inch borehole, and we make them in sizes to fit a number 6 bar, a number 8 bar. We also make one with a hub of 1.5 inches to accept the varying bars that are numbered differently depending upon the grade of steel that is used. Also, we have a part for the triple corrosion protection bar. We refer to it as the big mouth, and the hub size on it is anywhere from 2 inches to 2.5 inches, whatever the capacity needs to be. Also, our parts are 2 identical halves. You cannot put our part on the rebar tendon incorrectly. It's just impossible to do. Also, they have a groove for 2 strands of 16 gauge tie wire, which is the tie wire they're using to tie our part onto the rebar tendon. Also, if you'll notice right here, we have tabs on either end, and those tabs fit in the threads of the rebar tendon to help it not slide when secured by the 16 gauge tie wire. Also, our products are made out of no break, high density polypropylene. We're proud of that, because when you get them on the job site, the last thing you need to do is to have the centralizer break and you have to start all over. Also, we are proudly made in the United States of America, and they're shipped from Arlington, Texas. We have good inventory. Generally speaking, we can ship same day the order is received, provided that we receive that order by 1:30 in the afternoon. Thank you for taking time out of your day to view our presentation of Pieresearch products. When a situation arrives in the future that you need alignment product solutions, please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.